What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm Alex, and today we're going to be doing kind of a different video from what I usually upload to the channel, and it's going to be talking about the car finance situation in 2025. Why do I feel like it pretty much sucks? And we're also going to be doing going for a quick wash because the windshield is quite dirty, and also the wheels. So yeah, quick wash while we share some thoughts. So yeah, let's go for it. Okay guys, car is clean. Not perfectly, but it will do. So yeah, why don't we hop on the car and let's really talk about this car financing situation that we have going on. I have installed this carbon fiber here in the key, which makes this Fiat standard key look better. Okay, let's cross the street now. Okay. We have some droplets here, but it's fine. All right. So let's go. Okay guys, so here's the thing. Nowadays you can see all of those beautiful cars on social media, N3s, R3s, or even better cars like Lamborghinis, Audi R8s. Yeah, those kind of luxury supercars that of course we all love. Us, the car enthusiast, know how to enjoy a nice V10 or a nice V8, some inline 6 of the BMWs that just are so amazing and so much powerful. But those cars are really expensive, we all know that. And for us, the let's say myself, I'm a software engineer, which is an okay paid, actually it's a really well paid job here in Spain, but also in most of the countries I know, software engineering is well paid. But still, if you do this kind of rule of thumb of financing cars, like the 24/10, that's for you guys, if you don't know it, is that you put 20% down of the car price, you finance it in 4 years, and you pay 10% of your monthly income to buy your car. And what kind of car will you get with that? Well, I have some numbers that I will put on the screen, but it's pretty ridiculous. Here in Spain, you can't buy anything, basically, for most of the salaries. If you're in a well-paid job, well, okay, you can access to better cars, but nothing crazy like M3s and stuff. Of course, that is a really a rule that will make you be really safe when financing cars, but I think it's great if you want to be safe, because here's the thing, most of those cars you see on social media are financed, and I'm not saying financing is always bad, but it comes with a price, the price of your future financial situation being worsened, okay? And that's something that happens. It's okay. You might plan for it and you will be okay. I feel like most of you guys have a brain and you will be okay. You won't spend most of your salary in a car, but some people do, and yeah, that might not be the best. For myself, like I'm saying, I'm a software engineer and I do love cars, of course. So sometimes you start making these numbers and maybe you say, hey, maybe I can afford this car, but it's always a financing it. So the other option you have is finding a more doable car like this Abarth, which will give you some sensations on the wheel. The sound is great, handles really great on the twisties, and you can have one of these for, let's say, the most used units are around 15,000, I think. and you can get the higher ones, the comps and stuff, with a really good condition for around 23,000 or so. So it's definitely a more doable and affordable car, and sometimes that might be what you're looking for. So yeah, that's mainly the reason I got this car. I love cars, but I cannot afford in a comfortable way to have one of those nicer cars. Okay, we're working on it, guys. I'm doing my personal projects. I'm working hard to make my salary go higher, but this current situation, it's what it is. And the car that I can afford reasonably right now is something like this. Maybe also a GTI, maybe also a Cupra, but I feel like this car is pretty unique, and it's what I was looking for. So it is doing the job, I have to say. But yeah, of course, I love BMWs. I'm especially in love with the M3 G80, which I feel like that kind of love I have for that car might come from social media, because you keep seeing that car in social media all the time, and I do like it. Of course, you have the green Isle of Man. I think that's how the color paint, the job paint it has on the BMWs. The Isle of Man green looks really good, and I'm absolutely in love with that car. It will kind of be my dream car, and I would like to have one in the future, or at least bring it to the channel, which might be possible. Okay, so yep, kind of off topic, we're going there, which is Chinchilla de Mondragón. It's a medieval town near my hometown here in Spain, and I think it's quite lovely. It's only a 10-minute drive. That will do okay for us to get there while we talk about car finance. Of course, guys, I would love to hear your opinion on this topic in the comment section, which I really feel it's an interesting topic. Nowadays, car prices are just super high, and obviously, or I think that's the reason. It's because car financing is now the norm. Most of the cars you see are financed. I'm talking about the higher end cars. That makes you be able to afford more expensive cars, and the dealers know this, also the manufacturers, and it all works against us in a way, let's say. So yeah, let's talk about my personal plans for the future. Because of course, I would love to have one of those M3s, G80s. They look amazing, but what can I maybe have in the horizon? Okay, I think I'm not selling the Abarth, because it's a really cool daily, and it works flawlessly for what I use it. This engine is more reliable than you think, even though it's a Fiat, but the 1.4 turbojet engine is really good, and it's reliable most of the time. It doesn't have any main issues. So I would like to kind of have in the near future a car like the Supra or the M240i. Those cars are in the sweet spot between sportiness. It has a nice engine, which is the B58. As far as I'm aware, the ES50H engine that comes in the better BMWs nowadays, like the M3, M2, M4, is kind of an evolution from this B58 engine. Okay, let's pass this truck. So yeah, that engine is really good. It sounds lovely. I have some friends with cars with that engine. I have seen it work at full power in Supras with a full exhaust done to it, and sounds absolutely marvelous. I'm in love with how it sounds, and I feel like one of those cars is doable. Okay, it is going to, of course, be an effort for me to buy that car, especially if I compare that to not buying it and just keeping the Abarth. It's going to be difficult for me. But I would like to know about your plans on future buys, because life is not always about planning ahead in financial terms, right? So you can invest, you can think ahead and do your plan for your financial situation in the future. But at the end of the day, you can also have fun. And if what you like is cars, like I am a really fan of cars, big fan of cars, you can have a car that you enjoy. So yeah, I kind of want to be mentioning how important it is to understand the risks that come from buying a car, financing it, and spending all of your money on that car instead of investing wisely on anywhere really, and focusing myself on the American stocks and crypto. But this is not financial advice. My channel is about cars. I'm not doing financial advice. Okay. So yeah, that's the village I was talking about. You can see that castle in the top there. Quite lovely, isn't it? And we are here already. So yeah, it's a quite short trip, right? Yep. Personal thoughts, guys. Summer is coming in Spain and it's quite lovely. We have had a few months of rain. It's nice to have the sun back for this summer. Hopefully will be lovely. Okay. You see Chinchilla here. So guys, I hope that you will be able to see that car I was talking about. Maybe the Supra, maybe the M240i. I have to still decide it and to plan for it. Maybe I will record a video buying it, because I think I'm going to Germany for it. The car market in Spain for those specific models is kind of fucked up, especially with the Supras. The M240i is not that bad, but it's not perfect either. Like, it's really fucked up. So, yep. I hope I can make a video of that. Okay, we are arriving here, guys. Let's park on the side. Also, guys, we're reaching almost 200 subs. So I'm really grateful for it. We started the channel 3 months ago or so, and we've come a long way. I'm quite happy with the results. I was not expecting actually to be growing in this organic way. Every day we're more and more people watching or subscribed. So I'm really grateful for it. Okay, let's see where can we park. But I think we're going to park. Okay, now let's actually look for a nice spot, guys. This is the village. We'll go that way if we want to go to the village. Okay, let's see. It's all sunny here, but maybe we can go this way. Okay. Okay, guys, so again, thank you very much for watching me. Consider subscribing if you like this type of content. It's very nice to be able to upload cars and talk about cars in my channel, and having people watching it makes me really happy. That's pretty much it. Thank you, guys.